Welcome to my channel, Mortgage Pro Max. This is Mayumi Arai. Today, we're diving into a smart financial tool that can help you manage unexpected expenses, HELOC, or home equity line of credit. A HELOC allows you to borrow against the equity in your home, providing you with quick access to cash when you need it most. Think of it as a credit card, but with typically lower interest rates. Here's how it works. You get a revolving line of credit with a draw period, usually 5 to 10 years, where you can borrow as needed. After that, you enter the repayment period, typically 10 to 20 years, to pay back the principal and interest. To apply, you'll need documents like proof of income, a recent appraisal, and your credit score. It's a straightforward process that can provide peace of mind in emergencies. And here's a bonus. You can even use HELOC cash as a down payment when buying a new house, making it a versatile tool for expanding your real estate portfolio. Whether you're a homeowner or a realtor, understanding HELOCs can be a game changer for financial flexibility. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.